What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 20.8K, up 0.6 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 397 billion. 24-hour volume, 49.29 billion. If you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we reached the minimum target. We talked about coming down to 20.1K in our last video. Right now, it looks like we are pushing up quite impulsively here. We can still potentially put in an A, B, C if we get rejected here and come down in a wave C to put in that wave 2. However, if we do come up and break this high, then we can focus on pushing up to a wave 3 all the way up to 20.9K. Now your next major level of resistance is in between 21.9 and 22.5. As you can see here, resistance at this level, resistance here, support here, support here. So a lot of support and resistance in that range. So that would be your next major level to watch for our friend Bitcoin. Now looking at this chart here, we talked about this falling wedge and we're about to print the bullish cross. Over the next few days, you're going to see the bullish cross on the daily time frame, which can be quite a significant signal of a push to the upside. We had the bullish cross right here. We had a nice push to the upside. Right here we had the bullish cross, massive push to the upside. We'll give one more example. All the way down at the start of the bull run, basically bullish cross right here, beautiful pump to the upside, bullish cross right here, absolutely massive pump. So we're just about to print the bullish cross once again. So I definitely think we'll see that rally up to about 24 to 25K. Now looking at the DXY, yesterday we talked about seeing a bounce, which is exactly what happened. I said, look guys, we're low on the RSI. We're at the bottom of this blue channel. Likely we're going to see a bounce for the DXY, which is exactly what's happened here. So now what I'm looking for is the DXY to consolidate, and then drop out of this blue channel. And we do have this double top pattern here. And if we break down, that will take the DXY all the way down to 107. And then we'll see the continuation of the rally for the price of Bitcoin. Now looking at the NDQ 100, which is the US 100 index in the stock market. I talked about this inverse head and shoulders. Looks like it's playing out here. We're starting to bounce off that level of support. So if we do break that neckline, that's when you see the stocks continue to rally to the upside. So everything's looking good for continuation of the rally in my opinion. Of course, we can still put in an ABC correction, but there'll be more confluence of a breakout to the upside if we break that previous high at about 21K, as exaggerated ABCs are a little bit less probable and don't happen nearly as often as seeing your standard ABC correction. So if that high is broken, it does give you higher potential to push up to that next level of resistance here at 21.9 to 22.5K. However, if we do get rejected here, we do begin to roll, then do expect a wave C that could take you down to 19.2 to 19.8. Hopefully we can break this high by today. That's what I would like to see, as it is Friday, and if we don't break it going into the weekend, then we'll see lower trading volume, and often we do see a little bit of sell-off on the weekend, not always. So it would be good for the price of Bitcoin to break this high within the course of the day. We'll have to see how it plays out, but the fact we're about to print the bullish cross and breaking out of this falling wedge, a strong signal of seeing that rally to the upside to 24 to 25K. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BitGet. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Email me or sign up email after you make your first deposit. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members at the $10 membership. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits currently in about 4 trades, as well as early access to my analysis. Sign up to the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.